First, open Adobe Animate CC and create a new document. Choose your desired document size and frame rate. A common choice is 1920 by 1080 at 24 frames per second. This will be the foundation of your video. Now, grab the text tool and type your chosen text directly onto the stage. Customize the font, size, and color using the Properties panel. Experiment with different fonts and weights to find a style that fits your message. Let's convert our text into a symbol by right-clicking on your text and selecting Convert to Symbol. In the window that appears, give your symbol a name like text_animation and choose movie clip as the type. This will make it easy to manipulate later. Time to animate. In the timeline, add keyframes, or you want your animation to change. For example, let's add a keyframe at frame 25. Then frame 50. Select the keyframe in the timeline and go to the Properties panel to add tweening animation, such as rotation to the text. Tween your animation by adding keyframes. Choose what animation you want, such as adding opacity to show the visual effects of the text. Go back to the Properties panel and set the opacity for the text, such as 0% to make the text disappear or reappear. Congratulations, you successfully created a typography video. Feel free to add background elements, explore other animation techniques, and experiment to create stunning typography videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Animate CC tips.